432 students graduated in 3 sessions at their new campus at North Jolu. This was made up of 325 students graduating with Bachelor of Arts degree in Communication Studies, Journalism option, 480 graduating with Bachelor of Arts degree in Communication Studies, Public Relations option, and some 427 students graduating with Diploma in Communication. Director of the Ghana Institute of Journalism, Professor Kwamina Kwanza Edu, said the University of Film, Journalism and Languages Bill has been proposed to the Parliamentary Select Committee on Education to merge the Ghana Institute of Journalism, GIJ, National Film and Television Institute, NAFTI, and Ghana Institute of Languages into one university.
We are happy to declare that the threat of this pandemic has led to discovery of talents and opportunities, and our response is confirmation that we can survive every challenge and achieve great things when we turn our individual efforts into a collective effort with a focus on achieving set goals.
The Minister for Information, Mr. Kojo Ponkroma, had some few words for the graduates.
Today, you mark one of the most significant milestones in your lives. And it is my wish that this milestone will propel you to greater heights in the beautiful but uncertain future ahead of us. Notwithstanding, as you celebrate, do not forget all of those who have sacrificed and the various contributions they have made to bring you this far.
The overall best student degree, who doubles as the best student in journalism, Ms. Nuno Beverly Alale, shared her excitement.
It's very tough, but as I said in my speech, we shouldn't ask for a lighter load. We should ask for broader backs. This will enable us to persevere to the end. It takes determination, hard work, and then putting God first in everything you do.
A minute silence was observed in memory of the former president, Jerry John Rawlings. The institute also commissioned their new campus.